A single misstep can transform a simple task into an unforgettable, catastrophic spectacle. Even the most ordinary moments hold the potential for truly legendary, hilarious disaster. Humans are inherently drawn to the unexpected unraveling of meticulously planned efforts. There's a strange satisfaction in witnessing a minor oversight escalate into widespread chaos. These moments transcend typical events, becoming extraordinary through their sheer absurdity. We marvel at the fragility of control, observing when things spiral spectacularly out of hand. It's a reminder that perfection is elusive, and humor often emerges from unexpected blunders. Consider the seemingly straightforward task of baking a cake for a special occasion. What begins with precise measurements can quickly devolve into a kitchen-wide, flour-covered disaster. Perhaps the oven temperature was misread, or a critical ingredient was accidentally omitted. The cake batter might overflow dramatically, creating a sticky, smoking mess inside the appliance. Then imagine trying to salvage the burnt offering, only for it to crumble into sugary dust. But that's not the strangest part of these culinary catastrophes. Sometimes, the entire kitchen gets redecorated with frosting and sprinkles in the ensuing panic. Or picture the ambitious home improvement project, starting with confident, hopeful intentions. A wall intended for a new shelf suddenly reveals a hidden, gushing water pipe behind it. One misplaced nail, a wrongly cut timber, and the entire structure wobbles precariously. The simple act of hanging a painting can lead to an entire plaster wall collapsing downward. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding these DIY debacles. Power tools often develop a mind of their own, leading to unexpected, chaotic destruction. Imagine a gardener attempting to prune a small bush, accidentally severing a main electrical cable. The resulting sparks and sudden power outage transform a quiet afternoon into an emergency situation. Even technology offers ample opportunities for creating extraordinary, frustrating fails. A public presentation projected onto the wrong screen can reveal embarrassing personal files. Or consider the live video call, where someone forgets to mute their microphone during a crucial moment. The private, mundane sounds then broadcast to an entire audience, creating widespread awkwardness. And then something unexpected happened with the autocorrect feature. Autocorrect algorithms sometimes create hilariously inappropriate or wildly nonsensical messages. These digital slip-ups transform routine communication into incredibly memorable, shareable blunders. Think about grand public spectacles, like unveiling a statue or launching a new product.
The carefully draped sheet snags, refusing to reveal the monument, leaving organizers scrambling.
Or a confetti cannon malfunctions, blasting its colorful contents directly at the VIP section. These events, intended to be flawless, become legendary for their spectacular public failures. The collective gasp from the audience often precedes a wave of uncontrollable, nervous laughter. Consider the athletic event, where a participant trips mere inches from the finish line, or the seemingly easy jump that results in a tangled, spectacular, gravity-defying tumble. These moments remind us of the fine line between triumph and profoundly humbling defeat. Such extraordinary fails reveal the inherent comedy in our human endeavors and imperfections. They become universal narratives, echoing in shared experiences of similar embarrassing moments. The sheer scale of the disaster often dictates how widely the story will inevitably spread. These incidents frequently go viral, watched by millions, immortalizing the moment of collapse. They offer a strange sense of comfort, reminding everyone that mistakes are part of life's journey. Witnessing these blunders can provide valuable lessons about planning, execution, and resilience. Sometimes the best preparation still cannot prevent the inevitable, unforeseen catastrophe from occurring. These unforgettable fails often teach us more about adaptability than any perfect success ever could. They highlight the importance of laughter, especially when facing life's most ridiculous challenges. Many extraordinary fails begin with overconfidence, proving humility is a powerful, necessary virtue. The initial shock quickly gives way to amusement, then ultimately, a shared sense of human experience. These moments underscore how fragile our control truly is over the unpredictable forces around us. They also remind us to find humor in unexpected places, especially when things go completely wrong. Ultimately, these extraordinary fails remind us to embrace life's unpredictable, often hilarious, imperfections. If you enjoyed exploring these epic blunders, subscribe for more fascinating insights into human nature. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite disastrous, yet memorable, everyday fail you've witnessed.